Besan 2 tablespoon. Haldi 1/4 spoon. Mix it. Milk 4 tablespoon. Mix it well. Make a paste. Use it on your face, hands, legs, neck. Subscribe to Cooking with Rubail. Ubtan offers several benefits for achieving glowing skin. The ingredients help exfoliate dead skin cells, remove impurities, promote blood circulation, and even out the skin tone. Turmeric in Ubtan has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can contribute to a healthy complexion.